Okay, so these are the supplies that you will need. But first, what you're going to want to do is soak 4 cups of white beans overnight. And then in the morning, get those beans a-simmering. But not without adding some spices. Okay, it says here, Ma's baked beans. That's my mama. Okay, while those beans are a-simmering, you want to get a roasting pan ready and start filling it up. Okay, so here we go, chopping up them tomatoes. Let's chop up that celery too. Okay, so refer back to list. And to get chopping up them onion, I guess, eh? The beans are simmering real nice. Got that onion chopped up real nice too. Time for some special Heinz and other ingredients sitting there ready to go in. Oh, let's do it. Yippers, some black bean sauce. And some of them good old smoked pork hocks. Hey there. You will need all 3 pieces. Once the beans are done simmering for 1 hour, you add them on to all the other good ingredients that you've already put into the roasting pan. Just like so. Get ready for a whole day of baking. Now you're going to want to stick them smoked pork hocks just like this. Well, the history behind this bean recipe is that it was my mama's recipe, and she's passed away now since September 19th, 2024. I'll miss her, and we miss her baked beans. So I dug out her old recipe and made my dad some baked beans for his birthday. And it was a great celebration. Thank you, Mama, for your recipe. Love you always.